Hi everyone, my name is Glenn Weadock and welcome to my course, Managing Microsoft Desktops, Apps and Data. I'm a consultant and seminar leader at Independent Software Inc. in Colorado and an author of 18 books on Windows, networking, and certification. Mobile Device Management, or MDM, in Microsoft Intune is great for deploying apps to Windows 10 systems, and Intune's Mobile Application Management, or MAM, lets us customize those apps and secure corporate data using configuration and protection policies. Now, some of the major topics that we will cover include deploy Windows 10 apps using Intune, set up a private app store with the Microsoft Store for Business, restrict cut and paste operations with the application protection policies of Intune, make app settings remotely, and encrypt corporate data with Windows information protection policies. And by the end of this course, you'll know how to decide between MDM and MAM for app-related management responsibilities, deploy apps in both required and available modes, set up a kiosk PC that can only run one app and nothing else, create network boundaries to identify where corporate data lives in your environment, and even limit what users of iOS and Android devices can do when working with business data on your Windows network. Now, before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Windows 10 and networking basics, but no advanced knowledge is required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about how to deploy and configure apps and protect the data that they access with the Managing Microsoft Desktops, Apps and Data course at Pluralsight.